Hello everyone. Today I was lucky enough to travel on one of the brand new Mariyung D sets on part of its trip from Central Station to Newcastle. I will show a few clips from my trip as well as giving some information about the D sets, and I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you all so much for watching. Today, our trip will take us from Central Station in Sydney CBD to Hornsby in Sydney's north. The Mariyung D sets were proposed by the New South Wales government as a way to replace the aging V sets. They operate most of the intercity trains that go to Newcastle on the north coastline, Katoomba in the Blue Mountains, as well as Wollongong on the south coastline. Multiple international train companies had shown interest in constructing the trains, but Hyundai was chosen to make them. They planned for 77 4-car sets and 36 6-car sets, with 42 extra carriages being built. The first train was delivered in 2019. They were shortly named Mariyung, which means emu in the Darug language. Lots of errors and faults came up during their testing, the most notable one being not being able to fit in some tunnels, and also union strikes over the feature that removed guards from the trains. But in December of 2024, the first train entered service, and at the time of recording this video, 2 services are running, with more expected to follow in the coming weeks. The D sets have a lot of features that the V sets didn't have or are an upgrade version of what the V set had, such as chargers on chairs, which are both USB plugs and outlets, tray tables to hold things like food or laptops, and LED screens showing things like which carriages are quiet carriages and toilets, as well as more access for disabled people. After about a 40-minute train ride, it was finally time to get off at Hornsby and say goodbye to our Mariyung train for the day.
This stop is Hornsby. Use doors on the right in the direction of travel. Cardiff, Broadmeadow, Hamilton and Newcastle interchange. The next train to arrive on platform 5 is 12.
Overall, I thought my first trip on the Mariyung D set was very, very good. They're quiet, comfy, and very convenient. Personally, I think they're a million times better than the V set, and it was definitely worth the wait. I hope to see and travel on many more D sets in the future, and I want to try something new for this and future train travel videos, which is a scoring system. So here is my score for the D set. Well, that was it for my video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did, and thanks for watching. See ya!